made in Japan. So you're also using Japan's technology. Wow. So check it out, this is that. Culture. You may watch this now as your Ninong and his family.
As long as you can provide what they need, what they want, they will always come back.
Henry C. Kingoff, Philippine Business.
Mushi to all of you and welcome to Ninong sa Japan episode 27. You're live watching from Facebook and YouTube subscribers and also available in some of our social media and in NTV corporations. Wow! It's been 1 year that we did this video blog for last year in the episode 27, and now we're back again to connect the Philippines and the Japan culture for our OFW and non-OFW here at Ninong sa Japan. Mushi arigato to all of you who is subscribing and watching, and wishing you in a safe and happy place where you belong, in Japan or either in Philippines. Japanese or Filipino culture is the main function of this video blog, and to give what is happening in our country and to connect the cultures of the Japanese to Philippines. The Philippine Standard Time is 3 p.m. and in Japan is 4 p.m. So mushi arigato date. Moidano to all of our watchers around the world and even in Japan. So for today's video in our Ninong sa Japan, I will give you some of our authentic Japanese restaurants and Singaporean restaurant. Wow! This is a combination of Singapore and Japan, because your Ninong and the family will give you a special plan to our OFW and non-OFW who misses the Japan place, or our Filipino viewers who wanted to try the Japanese culture. So first, when my family goes to Dotonbori and Bread Talk. O ito, after Japan, usapang tinapay. So what's all about Dotonbori? Tasty Healthy, which focuses on okonomiyakis. When you think of Dotonbori, you think of a raccoon dog, our brand mascot. And Dotonbori means Osaka's principal tourist and nightlife area along canal from Dotonbashi Bridge to Nipponbashi. Wow! So that's something interesting to all of our Japanese culture, our Japanese people who is watching. Dotonbori is just like a bridge. So isa siyang tulay na sa ilalim syempre may mga river at dinadaanan ng mga turista at ng mga passenger with the buildings and some of the commercial area, and then nakikita doon yung mga ads, parang New York style ba, parang USA ang datingan. And for that, we will also have the Bread Talk. So what's all about Bread Talk? Founded as a bakery brand in Singapore and opened its first outlet at Bugis Junction in July year 2000. So the Bread Talk, after you go to Japan, you go to Singapore to try their best breads and restaurant. Diba? Kung ikaw ay turista, gusto mo mag-Japan, gusto mo mag-Singapore, dito ka na sa Pilipinas. Nandito na ang kulturang Hapon at Singaporean. So for the first episode, pupunta po tayo sa Dotonbori and BreadTalk. At naman tong ice cream nila, the strawberry ice cream of Dotonbori. Ito, meron na rin silang stick o tsaka strawberry. Namit. Masarap. Lasang Alaska. Masarap. Ice cream ng Japan, number 1. So, may mga toys na rin siya. So, nagbebenta sila ng mga anime toys dito sa Dotonbori. Ayan. So, ito para sa Japan talaga. Ito, sila Doraemon. Mga Japanese toys. Osamu. You've just discovered about Dotonbori and BreadTalk. Ngayon naman po, we will go to another authentic Japanese restaurant. At ito po, talagang nadidiscover na natin mula noon hanggang ngayon when we are going to SM or some of the establishment, ay lagi nating nakikita to. We will have the Tokyo Tokyo. Yun. It's a Japanese restaurant in the Philippines for more than 30 years. Wow, matagal na pala ang Tokyo Tokyo dito. Tokyo Tokyo has been serving high-quality Japanese food as we bring Japan closer to Philippines. Oh, yun naman pala ang purpose. So, parang ninong sa Japan lang pala to. Kung ang ninong sa Japan nyo, making this video vlog as your newest vlog department part of the NTV, congratulations by the way. Tayo po ay isa na sa mga vlog department ng ating NTV, ninong sa Japan, na since 2021 I started connecting Filipino and Japanese culture, diba, para sa ating mga OFW. So ito po yung ating Tokyo Tokyo, no? Me and my family goes again for another Japanese restaurant to try the authentic delicious ramen, ulam na rin na pwede nating ma-taste dito sa Tokyo Tokyo. So you will check it out. Pang Japanese mo. Ewan. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, kumakain na naman si BP. Yeah. Is that Uishi? This is Ninong sa Japan, episode 27. Eating ramen, mushi-mushi, and this is Oshi.
Let's put on her shoes. I have to be careful. This is so cute.
Hindi ko ganang kinukuhanan mo pa.
And then these two. So we can play. And then it says squeak. Okay, everybody can move and talk about it.
Tapos,
That's the guy such a big job.
Okay, we just discovered the Tokyo Tokyo. So, very affordable and delicious foods na hanap nyo dito sa Tokyo Tokyo, di ba? Pagka medyo eco-budget friendly ang datingan natin, gusto pa rin natin makatikim ng Japanese food. Basically, si Tokyo Tokyo nandyan para sa inyo. diba? So, after natin ma-discover si Tokyo, si Fred Tok, tsaka to si Dotonbori, this food trip that I presented is to all of our OFW from Japan na bagong uwi sa ating Philippine country, at gusto nyo ring iparanas sa mga family o friends nyo kung ano bang culture ang meron sa Japan. O di kaya ikaw naman dati kang worker or gusto mo lang magpakahapon, diba? So we will try this kind of restaurant kapag may perfect time, kapag may sweldo, may ipon, may tamang panahon na matry itong restaurant na ito, diba? Minsan lang naman yan sa isang pagkakataon na tayo makatikim ng mga Japanese foods na yan. Kaya talaga mushi-mushi ka, arigato, diba? Gohan na dati, sabihin nung kakain na tayo. Okay, ito meron pa tayong huling ipipresent na Japanese food culture dito. We will have the Q ramen. Hindi po ako nagmumura yung QU. Iba yun, ibang usapan yun. Q ramen. Asing cute. Parang ninong nyo. O Q ramen, 99. Tsaka tong Marugame udon. Yun, talagang panghapon na hapon talaga tong mga ito. So what's all about Q ramen? A Japanese ramen dish with a rich and flavorful broth. Calling all ramen lovers get a ramen for as low as 99 pesos. Ito yung 99 pesos mo lang mabibili yung mga noodles nila. Very affordable. O ito, pag may extra ka sa bulsa mo at nagugutom ka at hindi mo alam kung saan kakakain, para mapil mo pa rin Japan ang datingan mo, go to Q ramen. O di kaya ikaw nagtitipid, bago ka pumunta ng Japan, gusto mo man lang makatikim ng Japanese food para practice mo na sa pagiging Japanese citizen, no? And then we will have naman si Marugame udon. Okay, dedicates to providing Japanese authentic made to order udon noodles which are freshly kneaded, boiled and cooked right in front of you. Okay. So ito po yung ating mga Japanese food na madidiscover nyo. Marugame udon ay isang mga fresh kneaded, yung mga boiled, mga pinapakulo, mga steam, more on noodles siya. So you will check it out on our Ninong sa Japan episode 27. Hello, this is your Ninong and this is Ninong sa Japan. Today, me and my family will discover here an authentic Japanese restaurant named Marugame to discover the ramen, the rice, and the meal with its special features, special food trip that we will do. So come and join me here in Marugame with the family.
dining table of Marugame. Japan na Japan, no? So, pati yung design. Wow, si ate girl nagno-noodles, may bata pa. Gustong sumampa. Ayun. Okay, so this is the good area that we have in Marugame. Japanese authentic restaurant that will be perfect for our OFW and non-OFW in Japan who wants to discover authentic Japanese food from your Japan. So this is perfect for you and your family and barkada. So we are here on Ninong sa Japan at Marugame. Episode 27, sumali po ako sa pag-explore sa ganitong klaseng food adventure na mapipilis na para ka na rin na sa Japan. Even yung kanilang Christmas song na Last Christmas, Japanese style din at Japanese style din. So, we will try this kind of authentic food trip brought to you by Ninong sa Japan. Mushi, this is your Ninong sa Japan, episode 27. Sumali po ako sa pag-explore. So, may mga toys na rin siya. So, nagbebenta sila ng mga anime toys dito sa Dotonbori. Ayan, so ito para tayo nasa Japan talaga. Ito si Doraemon, mga Japanese toys. Try ng ninyo ngayon itong noodles ng Japan. Meron na rin siyang pork chop. At yung paborito kong masapit itlog. Ang tawag dito? Ito may noris na rin. Kaya umuusok pa, saktong lamig-lamig ang painit. Harap. Ramen nga. Oh. Regol, gusto ko yempo.
Ayaw, di ma!
Nagpayat yung yempo doon. Para hindi nakakahaida. Duwahan na, dapte. Here at Dotonbori.
Sabi mo, dahil tabi rin.
Oishi. Sarap.
Okay, thank you for watching and God bless all of us. At dito pa nagtatapos ang ating programang Ninong sa Japan episode 27. Showing you the Japanese restaurants and Singaporean restaurant connecting to Philippine to Japan culture, brought to you by Ninong TV. So maraming salamat. You may subscribe and buy this video blog for only 150 pesos and 80 pesos for screen record. And mabuhay, mushi-mushi, arigato to all of our watchers. Salamat po sa panonood. It's been 1 year and we are wishing, balang araw makapunta tayo sa totoong Japan at doon makapag-vlog ang ninong nyo at ma-discover natin yung mga kababayan natin na nandoon, na ma-interview natin sila, makamusta natin sila, paano o anong kultura ang kanilang na-adapt sa pagiging Japanese citizen, pagiging OFW, kamusta sila bilang workers sa Japan, diba? And to try the real simulator na mararanasan natin sa Japan. That's very very soon. Marami pa tayong bigas na kakainin bago mangyari yan. But anyway, that's one of our wish. Maka-achieve tayo na pumunta tayo sa ganitong culture. Okay, so and before I end, as a video blogger, and I also love those of the cultural sing and dance, lalo na yung mga rock and roll. So as your ninong and the family is na-shock, na parang hindi kami makapaniwala. Ako hindi rin makapaniwala kasi last time lang parang kumantas to sa Itbulaga, diba? To si The Aegis Band, and then parang kailan lang last 2 months ago may mga show sila in the some parts of the city, sa MOA or sa kung saan mang mga concert hall. Bigla pong namaalam si Miss Mercy Sunot, yung pinaka main leader po ng Aegis Band, yung Blondie, si ate, si mother, si Miss Mercy is nagbabay na po, at nakakalungkot kasi po siya po ay nagkasakit in throat and breast cancer. So talagang dobling cancer to. Ang hirap niyan. May cancer ka na sa dibdib pati sa throat pa. Kaya we are praying that the family of Miss Mercy have rise up at makabangon. So condolence po. And dito po muli nagtatapos ang ating Ninong sa Japan. And sa ating mga Gen Z na nanonood, sino nga ba si Miss Mercy? Siya po yung kumakanta ng Aegis, yung basang-basa sa ulan, sayang na sayang, ano pa, may bukas pa revival, ang halik, and then yung sinta, yun, diba? So all of that familiarized song na talagang rock and roll, talagang malakas ang dating, na favorite din ng ating mga nanay dyan sa Japan, that is listening Aegis songs, diba? So ayun po, pag-pray natin si Miss Mercy sa mga kababayan natin dyan sa Japan na favorite si Aegis. Yun, patugtugin nyo si Miss Mercy. Maalala natin siya bilang isang rock icon, isang instrumental personality ng bigay ng OPM in the Philippines. Okay, so thank you once again, and this is Ninong sa Japan episode 27. Subscribe and watch Ninong TV. Thank you. Arigato to all of you, and sayonara.
The harness is made in Japan, so you're forced to use Japan's technology. Wow. So check it out this day. Culture. You may watch this now as your Ninong and his family.
As long as you can provide what they need, what they want, they will always come back.
Henry Seeth Kingoff, Philippine Business.